Friends, this is the video to learn how to fix Alt Tab black screen delay in gaming on your Windows PC or laptop. Open the settings. Here click on System, then Notifications. Here click on Do Not Disturb Automatically. Here make it off during this time and uncheck when duplicating your display, uncheck when playing a game, uncheck when using an app in full screen mode, uncheck for the first hour after a Windows feature update. So make these settings disabled and unchecked. And guys, in some PC Windows 11 you will find these all settings underneath Focus Assist. I don't have that option here, but you will get these all options here also listed. So make that all settings disabled. So you can try to resolve this problem. Comment on this video work for you. Thanks, and give a like and subscribe channel.